Alright guys, the day is here. I'm on my way to go pick up my trailer. The paint is finished. It's done with the curing process. They said come grab this thing. So I'm pumped. We're actually almost there. Got my buddy Abe with me today. He works over at our Waco store. Go see him, he's amazing. But we're road tripping to go grab this thing. We're only, what do you say, I don't know, 30 minutes away. So yeah, hop on, let's do this. I'm so excited to see how it turned out. I think it's gonna be great. All right, pulling into Good Guys. Let's see if we can find this thing. Oh, look what I found. Dang, that's a shiny trailer, guys. Oh yeah, that'll do. Let's check it out. All right guys, the official first look. Dude, that is some shiny red. Man, it looks good. Like, it turned out amazing. Ah. They provided the black wood, so that's gonna be the next big project. Check out these fenders. Ooh. Man. Yeah, I am beyond impressed. This looks seriously good. I can see it all coming together, guys. This is gonna be sweet. Let's pull her home. Have to laugh at my old parts attached to my brand new trailer. Well, that's all getting replaced, along with the wheels and tires. But hey, looks like I need to strap down my load and go get to work. Okay guys, I just found this on the Good Guys lot, and I just have to show it to you. You ready? It's a pink gooseneck. Dude, literally, this is a 40-footer. Check it out. It's like hot pink. Who's taking this one home, guys? This is too cool. I love it. Alright, so I was gonna do it. Welcome to Buckee's. Alright. First experience at a gas station, Mr. Trailer. It's only like 100 pumps here, so. Shall we go?
Yes.
Welcome to the gas station that's as big as a Walmart. Oh yeah, let's go shopping. We've got a meat market. We've got fudge. There's barbecue and brisket happening over here. I don't even think we're halfway through the store yet. Oh yes, success. All right, let's see how we did. Abe, tell us what we found today.
Got some milk chocolate almonds.
Chocolate almonds. Buckee's brand always.
Beaver nuggets.
The one and only.
Excited to try those. Got some jerky.
Always got to get some jerky.
And Leroy's weird pick of candy. Sour powered candy belts.
Yes. I'm a sucker for the gummy stuff, man. Gotta have it. So, and of course the extra large sweet tea. We're road trip ready. Let's hit it. Okay, so I've got the breakaway box installed here and wires along with this is going to be the breakaway switch and the wires for the 7-way harness. So all of these things are going to go into the junction box along with some 7-way wire over here. That's just going to go to the rest of the trailer. So we're ready to start wiring. Okay, initial wiring is done. Everything is where it should be. From here, we'll of course get everything lined out along the trailer and get all the connections added for all the lights and the brakes. And then we'll test everything out before we clean it up and put the cover on it. Okay guys, so I've got all of my lights wired now and just plugged in. Of course I've still got them all loose here, but before I wrap everything up, I definitely want to test the lighting, just make sure that I did the wiring correct. It's all over the place, so you never know, right? So I've got my little light tester here that we can plug in harness to. Okay, so we've got left turn, right turn, and clearance lights and everything else. So let's see what we got. First things first. Good, I like what I see. Everything's on. Woo! Okay, let's test turn signals. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Boom. All right, we're in business, guys. So I'll get this all wrapped up and then we're done wiring. Okay, wiring is done, it's wrapped up, everything's working. So next is floor. Let's go. Well, go figure. I already got my first mess up out of the way. I was cutting out my board so that I could get this corner taken care of. Of course, this board is going to go to, you know, roughly here. So I'm over here cutting away my corner on the board, and what I measured out, I cut away this piece, and this is the piece that's supposed to stay. This is what I should have cut off. So, oh well, we've got extras. Let's go. Guys, so I messed up the one board, right? And I thought I had extras, but I'm down to my last board and I need more than one board. Dang it. Okay, so I got my boards. Let me just show you. Boards on each side are now in, and so I just have the middle board left. What I'm gonna do now is use a strap to suck in the areas where there's gaps. So with a strap, I can strap it around the entire side and just ratchet it to the side. And that way I get nice, no gap seams, and then I have my measurement for my middle board. Okay, I'm impressed. I've never been able to completely drill all the holes for a new floor with one bit, but this is the original bit, so props, man. Time for some screws. Floor is done. She's screwed in, ready to go. So really just about all I've got left is taking care of the axles over here. So we're gonna pull them out, replace all the suspension, replace the brakes and the hubs, and finish it all off with a new set of wheels and tires. So it's almost there. Hang tight.